Nowadays, running becomes more and more popular as it is one of the easiest ways to exercise. In the city, after a long, busy working day, you can see many young people jogging or night running. However, walking and night running in a dim environment are not only boring but also very dangerous. The luminous element was added to the design of the runway to make it safer and more interesting to do night running. In Shenyang City, the longest luminous runway was built last year, making it a great place for people to exercise during night. The luminous runway is located in Mozishan Park, Hunnan District, Shenyang, China. Construction started in April 2019 and it is now complete. As the first luminous runway in Shenyang, it attracted many tourists and citizens as soon as it was opened. Now, the luminous runway of Mozishan Park has become a check-in place for internet celebrities. At night, under the illumination of purple lights, the luminous effect created by the glow-in-the-dark stones on the paveway, it creates a dreamlike effect like a galaxy sky, thereby improving the overall quality of the runway and the night visual effect.